Ever wonder how air traffic management keeps thousands of aircraft in the sky from colliding into each other? It's a complex dance, choreographed by air traffic controllers, where precision and timing are of absolute essence. Currently, air traffic management faces an intricate network of challenges. From ever-increasing air traffic, with an estimated 100,000 flights daily worldwide, to the pressing demand for more efficient flight paths to reduce fuel consumption and carbon emissions. Safety, of course, is paramount. With the sheer volume of flights, the risk of mid-air collisions or near misses is a constant concern. Additionally, the dynamic nature of weather conditions adds a layer of complexity to this high-stakes puzzle. With an increasing number of flights, the demand for optimized airspace usage, safer protocols, and more efficient air traffic management systems is higher than ever. And with the growing number of flights, these challenges are only expected to surge. But did you know there's a game changer on the horizon that promises to revolutionize air traffic management? Yes, we're talking about artificial intelligence. With its ability to learn and adapt, AI is perfectly positioned to manage the complex and dynamic nature of air traffic. Imagine optimizing flight paths to reduce fuel consumption and decrease flight times. AI can do that. Or think about minimizing delays by predicting and managing traffic flow. AI's got that covered too. But what about safety? You'd be right in thinking that's paramount. AI can enhance safety by monitoring aircraft health in real time and alerting ground control about potential issues before they become critical. Furthermore, AI can handle unexpected situations like sudden weather changes or technical glitches by quickly recalculating routes and coordinating with all aircrafts in the vicinity. This ensures that disruptions are managed efficiently, keeping the skies safe and travelers happy. In fact, several airports have already started harnessing the power of AI. Take, for instance, the Changi Airport in Singapore, a pioneer in implementing AI in air traffic management. This bustling hub